Now we will show you how to change the look and the components on the homepage. As you will see in this example, the homepage is composed of a slider with two parts in it, 1, 2, and this changes every few seconds. And then on the next line there are 3 boxes. 2 boxes the same size and 1 larger box. The contents of the homepage can be managed on the page Home. And here we see that indeed first there is an image slider containing 2 records, and then there are 3 boxes listed. As you can already see, 2 records of these boxes have a width 1 and 1 box has a width 2. This refers to the larger box, which is double the size of the first of the other 2 boxes, which are just a width of 1. Now to populate the image slider, this is done by adding records. Here we have chosen 2 records, but you could easily add 3, 4, 5 or more records. Such a record is composed of a title, a bit of text, an image, and then a linked page where the arrow leads to. For example, if we take the part on the planets, it's this part of the slider that you get to see an image, a text, and when you click the arrow or the bar at the bottom, you are referred to another website inside of the MOVIO exhibition, which is called The Beauty of the Planets. This is done via an internal link, which is listed here at the bottom. The other record follows a similar structure. It has a title, a bit of text, an image, and then again it leads to another page within the MOVIO exhibition, namely the timeline. The boxes follow the same principle. For example, when we choose the box with the width 2, you can choose a certain box type. You could have an image with a link or an image with a text. This one is an image with link. And here you can choose the different width that it should have. For example, you could choose for 4 boxes of a size 1, 2 boxes of a size 2, a size 2 in combination with a box of width 1, and so forth. If you would choose a box with a width 4, it would span the entire homepage. Then we have entered a title, also an image, a link for the title, and then again this will refer to a linked page, another page of the MOVIO exhibition. If we go back to the front end, indeed we see here the title of the box, the image, the name for the link, and if we would click it, it would refer us to another page within MOVIO, namely the storyteller. The other boxes follow the same example, but here we didn't choose for an image with a link, but for an image with text. And this means that you first get a picture and then some text, and the link is only available up here. The same for this box. It's also possible to change the order of the different boxes. For example, now we have record 1 on the golden discs, record 2 on something else, and record 3 on the spatial relations. Now I would like to change the order of the spatial relations box with the other box. So then I just click here and hold it, and I drag it above to change the order. If now I save the page and we reload the front end, you will see that the box on the spatial relations is now first and then followed by the box on the different planets.